TG family, welcome back to Amazing Grace Garden. And I want to bring y'all to the attention of a little deal I got from Home Depot in the garden center, y'all. So went to Home Depot, was just looking around and all this, browsing around, and there was a sign. Y'all remember in one of the recent but prior videos I told y'all about the burpee plants. The burpee plants that I had never seen at my Home Depot. That was a lot cheaper than the bunny plants, okay? So I went back and whatnot, alright? And beside the the burpee plants that was on the table, there was a sign that said 98-cent tomato plants. Look at this. Regular price was $2.98, and it specifically said the black containers. This is a big boy. He was 98 cents, y'all. Big boy tomato plant. This one right here is another big boy, 98-cent tomato plant. All right. And this one right here is the Husky Cherry Red tomato plant, 98 cents, okay? I don't know why they was 98 cents. I ain't asking no questions, okay? So I got me 3 of them. Then I went on and looked over, and I saw Tabasco pepper. So I went on and got a nice Tabasco pepper. Now this is not on sale. This was $2.98, but I realized I didn't have a Tabasco plant. And then I went on and picked up this fennel, okay? I think this is fennel. It should be fennel. No, it's not fennel. It's dill. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. Dill. So I went on and picked up that dill. And then I was looked for what I went there to look for. And then we went on and I went on to Lowe's. And I only got one thing out of Lowe's. One thing, and it ended up being a plant. But I couldn't pass this by because it looked so good. Cucumbers, and y'all know I'm a sucker for growing cucumbers. I paid $3 and some change, and it's got 6 plants in it, and they looked so good. So I said, you know what, I'ma go get this. Yeah, and so that's what I did. It's a buddy plant, but hey, I paid $3 and something with everything else being $4.98 and $5 and something for their plants. I pay that for, you know. But yeah, so the thing is, check Home Depot out. Those burpee plants, $2.98, and then they may have some of the ones that's clears out. If y'all watched one of the videos prior, you would have saw I had hauled a lot of stuff, a lot of burpee plants. I know storing seeds and all that, but I'm trying to be smart with, if they got good starts now and I can get my starts and get that going, then that's more seeds I have that I'm not starting now, okay? So that's for me. Everybody is different, and I know I have a lot going on with the garden and the other the prepping and the other channel and all that type of stuff. So it just makes sense to me. But I'm doing it on a budget, okay? I'm not paying $5 and something for one plant, bunny. I'm not doing that, okay? So y'all, let me stop playing around and whatnot. So yeah, that's what I want to show y'all. Check out and see if they got some 98 cents or clearance out plants, vegetable plants, tomato plants at Home Depot in your area. That's what I want to let y'all know. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one if it's God's will. Y'all be safe. Love y'all. Bye.